The Rolls-Royce Griffon MK58 is a powerful British V12 60-degree liquid-cooled aero engine with a displacement of 37 liters. Designed in 1938 at the request of the Fleet Air Arm, it was intended for aircraft like the Fairey Firefly and later adapted for the Spitfire. Unlike its predecessor, the Merlin, the Griffon featured improved internal lubrication and a more compact design by integrating drives into the front gear casing. First produced in the early 1940s, the Griffon remained in service until 1955 and continues to power historic aircraft today. The 1909 Blitzen Benz was purpose-built to break land speed records, not for racing. And it did just that. Powered by a massive 21.5-liter, four-cylinder engine producing 200 horsepower, it reached an astonishing 228.1 kilometers per hour in 1911 at Daytona Beach, a speed that surpassed even airplanes and trains of its time. Only two of the original six survive today, with this example displayed at the Mercedes-Benz Museum. Starting the Blitz and Benz remains a complex task, but its raw power, historic achievements, and engineering brilliance continue to captivate audiences, such as at Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance. The Pratt Whitney R-4360 Wasp Major is a 28-cylinder, four-row radial piston engine developed during World War II. As the largest displacement and most powerful piston aircraft engine mass-produced in the U.S., it delivered up to 4,300 horsepower from 4,362.5 cubic inches. First run in 1944, it marked the peak of Pratt & Whitney's piston engine technology. Its complex point design was staggered required intensive maintenance. Though it never saw combat, it proposed the final generation of large piston aircraft before being replaced by more efficient turbines. Over 18,000 units were built between 1943 and 1955. RollsRoyce Merlin is a British 27-liter liquid-cooled V12 aero engine developed in the 1930s. Originally called the PV-12, it powered iconic World War II aircraft like the Spitfire and Lancaster. With over 150,000 units produced, it became one of the most successful and powerful piston engines of its era. Aid the dramatic and powerful startup of an old diesel engine using a flame start system. This system employs a glow plug or heating element to ignite a small amount of fuel, producing a flame that helps start the main combustion process. In extremely cold conditions, ether, a highly flammable substance, is often sprayed into the intake manifold to aid ignition. Since diesel engines rely on compression ignition, cold temperatures can prevent sufficient heat buildup, making startup difficult. Older engines may also suffer from degraded fuel and weak batteries, both of which complicate the process. A pre-lube cycle, cranking the engine without fuel to build oil pressure, is essential to protect internal components. However, safety is critical. Diesel engines can sometimes experience runaway if they begin burning engine oil or receive uncontrolled fuel. In such cases, fuel supply must be cut immediately. Proper ventilation is necessary when using ether, and batteries must be fully charged to avoid overcranking. This video highlights not only the raw power and sound of an old diesel engine, but also the careful preparation and safety awareness required to start one successfully. The D232 V8 is a robust, air-cooled, 8-cylinder V-type diesel engine designed for industrial and heavy-duty applications. Known for its compact configuration and high torque output, the engine operates efficiently in demanding environments. Featuring direct fuel injection and a reliable mechanical governor, the D232 V8 ensures stable performance and fuel economy. Its modular construction allows for easy maintenance and serviceability. This engine is commonly used in generators, pumps, and off-road machinery. The V8 layout provides a smooth power delivery, while its rugged build supports long operational life. Overall, the D232 V8 represents durability and efficiency in diesel engine engineering. The Deutz TBDB 620V16 is a robust 16-cylinder V-type diesel engine, delivering 1,840 kilowatts at 1,800 RPM. Built in 2000, it features a 70.8-liter displacement, twin ABB turbos, and counterclockwise rotation. Renowned for its reliability and efficiency, it is widely used in marine propulsion and industrial power generation. Fully reconditioned, it meets Germanischer-Lloyd standards. The Chieftain tank was powered by the Leland L60 engine, a unique two-stroke, six-cylinder, opposed-piston diesel engine with two crankshafts, one top and one bottom. Built in 1973 by British Leyland, it delivered 856 horsepower at 2,100 RPM and weighed 2.25 tons. Designed for multi-fuel use, the L60 faced reliability issues but remained integral to the 54-ton Chieftain, the UK's main battle tank from the 1960s to the 1990s. The Mars 5 HP diesel engine, built by the Mars Machine Tool Manufacturing Company in Brisbane, Australia, is a rare and robust piece of engineering history. Preceded by the Rapson and Dutton engines, the Mars is not a clone of the more common Lister engine. It's larger, heavier, and significantly stronger. With a solid 3-inch crankshaft and no interchangeable parts with Lister engines, the Mars was designed for more demanding industrial use, such as powering line shafts in factories where other engines struggled under load. This particular 5 HP model, painted in its original maroon color, had not run since the early 1970s. After decades in storage, it was carefully restored with new rings, valves, bearings, gaskets, oil lines, and more, bringing it back to life. With the help of expert Simon DeVere, small single-cylinder diesel engines like the Mars 5 HP are known for high torque, fuel efficiency, and durability. Typically air-cooled and hand-started, they are used in agricultural and industrial applications such as tractors, generators, and water pumps. The Mars 5 HP stands out as a well-built and historically significant engine that continues to impress with its reliability and performance. The MW-MTBB 234V12 is a high-performance 12-cylinder V-type diesel engine designed for industrial and marine applications. Known for its compact design and robust power output, it delivers reliable performance in demanding environments. The engine features direct injection and turbocharging for enhanced efficiency and durability. This antique 600 horsepower gas engine, built in 1914 to 1915 by Snow Holly Works in Schenectady, New York, is a remarkable piece of industrial history. Originally used to compress natural gas at the Roystone Station near Titusville, Pennsylvania, it ran continuously for over 50 years. Now preserved at the Cool Spring Power Museum, this engine is among the largest operational gas engines ever maintained. Measuring 75 feet long and weighing 140 tons, it features an 18-foot flywheel and a 16-inch crankshaft. The foundation alone contains 157 cubic yards of reinforced concrete. With two tandem double-acting cylinders powering an 18-inch bore, 48-inch stroke gas compressor, the engine can boost gas pressure from 50 to 450 psi. Producing 600 HP at 80 RPM, it delivers an immense torque of 39,000 feet lbs. This engine continues to run annually at the Western Minnesota Steam Threshers Reunion, showcasing early 20th century mechanical engineering excellence. The Detroit Diesel 6V92T is a compact, turbocharged V6 two-stroke diesel engine known for its power, efficiency, and reliability. Part of the Series 92 family, it delivers up to 335 horsepower and is widely used in buses, trucks, marine vessels, and industrial applications.